Hello friends, NTPC has given an advertisement for recruitment for the post of assistant engineer and assistant chemist. The salary range for this post is 30,000 rupees to 1,20,000 rupees with a basic pay of 30,000 rupees. And the last date to apply for this post is 31st March 2021. There are total 200 posts for assistant engineers and the qualification requirements are from the disciplines of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, electronics engineering and instrumentation engineering. The experience requirement for this post is minimum 1 year of post qualification experience is required, and this experience should be excluding the training period, and this experience should be in operation or maintenance or erection or construction or engineering in thermal or gas power plant. The upper age limit for this post is 30 years. Again, the pay scale is 30,000 rupees to 1,20,000 rupees at the basic pay of 30,000 rupees. Then there are total 30 posts of assistant chemist, and the qualification requirement for this post is MSc in chemistry with at least 60% aggregate marks. SC, ST and disabled candidates can also apply for this post with pass marks. Again, the experience requirement for assistant chemist is 1 year post qualification experience excluding the training period. This experience should be in water treatment plant process and water analysis, boiler water chemistry, or knowledge of cooling water treatment, or bulk chemical analysis, or knowledge of analytical instruments, or coal sampling and analysis, or oil analysis, or knowledge of environmental parameter testing. The upper age limit for this post is 30 years. The pay scale is 30,000 to 1,20,000 with basic pay of 30,000 rupees. The different number of vacancies for different disciplines are as per shown in the table. Electrical engineering, there are total 90 vacancies. For mechanical engineering, there are total 70 vacancies. For electronics or instrumentation, there are total 40 vacancies. And for assistant chemist, there are total 30 vacancies. Then there are different conditions the candidate will have to fulfill before or after applying the for the post, and these are they will have to go undergo the medical checkup. Then they will have to appear for the online written test. The test will be conducted on two subjects. The first will be to check the subject knowledge from your particular discipline, and the second subject will be the aptitude, and the candidate will have to clear both parts separately. Again, the candidate will also have to specify the test center for appearing for the online written test. And the candidate with categories will have to submit the relevant documents like caste certificate or validity certificate in the prescribed format. The age relaxation for this post is for SC/ST it's 5 years, for OBC is 3 years, for disabled candidates it's 10 years, for people who are JNK domiciled from 1st January 1980 to 31st December 1989 it's 5 years. For ex-servicemen, the age relaxation is as per the government guidelines. Then how you can apply? You will have to go to the www.ntpc.co.in website, and from there you will have to go to the career section and find out the link for applying. And while applying for this post, the candidate should have a valid email ID for further communication with the recruitment body. Then fees, the general or economic weaker section or OBC people will have to pay 300 rupees for fees, and women and other people or other category people they are excluded from payment of fees. Then there are total two mode of payment for the fees. The first is the offline payment mode, which can be done at the SBI branch in account number 3098791993 at CAG branch, New Delhi, on behalf of NTPC. And how the payment is done in this particular mode? You have to get the pay slip from the portal while registering yourself there. Get the printout of the pay slip, go to the bank, fill in the amount at the bank. The bank will give you the journal number and the branch code, and this journal number and branch code again you have to fill at the portal while doing the further registration. And there is another mode of online payment which can be done through credit or debit card or internet banking on the application portal. After doing the payment for the application, Candidates are required to upload photograph, signature and proof of payment at the portal. And all these attachments should be in JPG or JPEG format, and the file size should be lesser than 500 KB. So that's all for now, friends. If you want to know for such another recruitments, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.